Hi, right, today we're going to be looking at how to add and subtract fractions. So first of all, if the denominators are the same, they must stay the same. So 2 sevenths plus 2 sevenths plus 3 sevenths is 5 over 7. So the denominator, the bottom number, stays the same. We just add the top correct numbers. And here, the numerator is 5 sevenths minus 3 sevenths. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and the 7 stays the same. So we keep the denominators the same. The problem, of course, comes when we have different denominators, so 7 and 3. What we need to do first of all is think of a number that is in the 7 times table and the 3 times table. We could just do a time. 7 times 3 is 21. So I could just use 21. I'm going to use my long fraction lines to do this. Okay, subtraction in the middle, it's a minus, and another long fraction line. I'm going to start this fraction with 5 sevenths, because that's what's there. And I'm going to start this fraction with 2 thirds, because that's what's there. We always want to get to the bottom number, the denominator, to 21, so I do 7 times 3, and of course whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top, so I do 5 times 3. So on this one, I've got to get 3 to 21, so I do 3 times 7, and if I times 7 down here, I times 7 up there. These two numbers should be the same, and these two numbers should be the same. We then got to do our multiplication, so 5 times 3, that's 15. 7 times 3, that's 21. Minus 2 times 7, that's 14. 3 times 7, well that's 21. I've now got the denominators same, so I can now do the subtraction. So all I do is 15 take away 14, which is 1 over 21. Because of course the denominators stay the same as they are. One last one to look at to make sure we can do this, and adding 1. But this time I've got whole numbers as well. Don't panic. Quite simply, the whole numbers get done separately. 2 plus 3 is 5. We've then got to worry about the fractions. So the fractions come over here. 2 sevenths plus 4 fifths. I need something that's in the 7 and the 5 times table. Can just do 7 times 5, which is 35. So let's use that. Okay, long fraction lines. Let's start with a plus in the middle. Start this one with 2 sevenths. Start that one with 4 fifths, just like last time. Don't change what we're doing. 7 times 5, so I times a 2 by 5. 5 times 7, so I times a 4 by 7. Exactly the same as what we've been doing just a minute ago. 2 times 5 is 10. 7 times 5 is 35. Add 4 times 7, 28. 5 times 7 is 35. These two go together. 10 plus 28 is 38. Over 35. Of course, this is an improper fraction. We did that the other week. How many 35s go to 38? Well, that's 1 whole with 3 left over. So 1 and 3 35ths. I haven't quite finished yet because, of course, I need to add it back down to this 5. So 1 and 5 make 6. And I've still got the fraction of 3 over 35 to finish with. Of course, remember when we subtract, you may need to borrow some from this whole number. But apart from that, it should be fairly simple.